Agricultural culture refers to the practices, traditions, and social systems surrounding the cultivation of crops and the raising of livestock. It encompasses a wide range of activities and elements, including farming techniques, methods used for planting, growing, and harvesting crops, as well as raising animals. This includes irrigation, crop rotation, and the use of machinery. Crops and livestock, the types of crops grown and animals raised, which can vary widely depending on the region's climate, soil, and other factors. Traditional knowledge, skills, and wisdom passed down through generations, such as planting calendars, natural pest control methods, and traditional animal husbandry practices. Cultural practices, rituals, festivals, and customs related to the agricultural calendar. For example, harvest festivals celebrate the gathering of crops, while planting ceremonies mark the beginning of the growing season. Social structures, the organization of rural communities, including roles and responsibilities within farming families and communities. Land ownership patterns, and the impact of agriculture on social status. Economic systems, how agricultural products are traded, both locally and globally, and the economic impact of farming on rural and urban areas. Sustainability practices, modern agricultural culture increasingly includes practices aimed at sustainability and environmental protection, such as organic farming, permaculture, and conservation agriculture. Technological advances, the incorporation of new technologies such as genetically modified crops, precision farming, and automated machinery, which are transforming traditional farming practices. Agricultural culture is deeply rooted in the history and identity of many communities worldwide and continues to evolve with changing technologies, economies, and environmental conditions.